Hello, in this video I'll be talking about education policy in Nigeria. Education policy in Nigeria has passed through three significant phases: before amalgamation, pre-independence, and post-independence era. Before the introduction of Western education in Nigeria, various communities were engaged in informal education processes. The African culture engaged in training the young men and women in various traditional ways. This they did by transferring various skills to the members of their family, even though there were no physical classrooms. Women were educated in the art of managing their homes, hence they were trained in cookery, spinning, weaving, as the case may be. The men were trained in the tasks that require physical work, such as farming, hunting, fishing. This was a scenario in 1842 when the Christian missionary arrived in the South and introduced Western education. The aim of education as given by missionaries were just to enable to learn how to read the Bible in English and local language. It was noticed that the missionary major objective of establishing schools were the propagation of Christianity. Their greatest legacy was their education work, development of indigenous language into writing. Evolution of policy over time. Nigeria was colonized by the British and they administered education through the use of certain educational ordinance and code. After the amalgamation in 1914, the gaps in education achievement became very obvious. Sir Lord Lugard, the first Governor General of Nigeria, sought to improve this ordinance in 1916. He signed a policy as an instrument of building good character and usefulness of individuals to themselves and to the community. After independence, the country witnessed several other education policies and law. In 1977, Universal Primary Education (UPE) was established to expand access into tertiary education and increase the number of unit schools in the country. In 1998, National Policy of Education prescribed as Universal Basic Education (UBE) for all children in the country using the 6334 system, which are 6 years in primary school, 3 years in middle school, 3 years in high school, and 4 years in the university. In 2004, UBE was reversed to specify the function of an adult, non-formal, special, and open distance learning. The revision creates a broad curriculum which created opportunity for all children regardless of sex, background, and ability. The strength and weakness. The strength. The UBE program in 1976 gave some children access to free education. Number 2, the reverse policy in 1998 to replace the 654 system, which the 6334 education system was designed to encourage vocational education to make Nigeria more efficient and skillful. The weaknesses. Poor funding of education and no management. The impact of Nigerian policy for students. The Compulsory Free Universal Basic Education Act 2004 provide a legal framework within which the federal government supports states towards achieving uninterrupted 9-year compulsory universal basic education for all children in primary and junior secondary school level throughout the country. The impact of Nigerian policy for teachers. Teachers Registration Council of Nigeria (TRCN) was established. The program is to promote the exchange of ideas and to lead the development, knowledge skill, and orientation in the teaching profession. Due to lack of funding, teachers' salaries are low. Thank you.